Hello po kuya, magandang gabi po. So this is my family tree. This is my father and his name po is Mariano Orpilla Senior and siya po ay isang guro. And this is my mother po, she is an housewife po sa bahay namin. Siya po lahat ng gumagawa, nagluluto, naglalaba, naglilinis, nagwawalis, lahat po ng gawaing bahay. And this is my younger and older brothers. This is my younger sister. This is an OFW sa Hong Kong po. And this is my sister also. Siya po ngayon ang kasama namin sa bahay. And this is my isang brother. Siya po ngayon ay isang police. And this is my kuya. Wala po siya. Nasa Pampanga nagtatrabaho. And this is me po. Kahit watak-watak po kami, we are very happy kasi alam namin na safe kami lagi and kinakad kami ni God. Thank you po.